Even if I am small, Rishabdev's greatness make me speak. In a world full of Wi-Fi signals, notifications and endless noise, हम सब किसी न किसी नेटवर्क से जुड़े हैं, पर एक कनेक्शन ऐसा है जो कभी टूटता नहीं, the connection of values. And this connection was first created by none other than Raja Rishabdev. My Jai Jinendra and Pranam to every soul having potential of becoming Paramatma. Today, I want to share the story of a leader whose message is not only ancient but urgently needed in today's world. Raja Rishabdev, the first Tirthankar, the first teacher and the first human guide. You don't have to be religious to learn from him. You only have to be human. A leader who build people, not monuments. तेनम कालेनम तेनम समेनम उस काल उस समय में when humanity was still searching for the direction, Rishabdev did not give them wealth, he gave them skills. He taught agriculture, cooking, pottery, organization, discipline and many more. In modern language, he was the first life skill coach, the first social reformer and the first human development leader. His message is, if you want to uplift a society, empower people to stand on their own. Isn't this the foundation of every successful nation even today? Rishabdev was a king with every luxury, but he realized something profound, something even modern psychology agrees with. Comfort is not equal to happiness. Possessions are not equal to peace. Success is empty without purpose. He chose self-discipline over comfort, inner strength over outer status and truth over temptation. This is real courage. Not fighting outside battles, but conquering the battles inside your own mind. His principles are not ancient. They are ahead of time. Rishabdev taught non-violence, truthfulness, self-control, non-greed and non-attachment. These are not just spiritual ideas. They are scientific tools for mental clarity, emotional stability and sustainable living. Non-violence reduces stress and builds trust. Minimalism reduces anxiety and financial burden. Truth builds relationship and credibility. Detachment protects mental peace in a hyper-competitive world. Psychology today calls it emotional intelligence, mindfulness, stress management and inner resilience. He was way ahead of his time. Why his message matters more today? Look at today's world. People have more technology but less peace, more communication but less connection, more opportunities but more anxieties, more choices but more confusion. Rishabdev teachings are the antidote to the modern disease of stress, comparison, greed and endless desire. His message is simple but powerful. If you master your mind, nothing outside can defeat you. If you don't master your mind, nothing outside can save you. This is the mindset that builds champions, leaders and change makers. He is a universal inspiration which is not limited to any religion. Even if someone does not follow Jain philosophy, the values Rishabdev represents are universal. Build society with compassion. Live with clarity, not confusion. Choose discipline over distraction. Focus on values over vanity. Grow as a human, not just as a professional. His life teaches us you don't need to be born great. You need to grow great. When you strengthen people, you strengthen civilization. When you strengthen yourself, you strengthen your destiny. This is the mindset that builds champions, leaders and change makers. आज के बाद आपके सामने जिंदगी के 3 दरवाजे होंगे. पहला, रिएक्शन जहाँ सब जाते हैं. दूसरा, डिस्ट्रैक्शन जहाँ दुनिया खो जाती है. और तीसरा, रिफ्लेक्शन जहाँ ऋषभदेव मिलते हैं. सवाल बस इतना सा है, आप कौन से दरवाजे को चुनेंगे? अगर आप तीसरा दरवाजा चूज करते हो तो आज इस मोमेंट में आप एक नए इंसान बन चुके हो। And this is your transformation. And now one question remains. What are you taking home today? Information or transformation? If it is only knowledge, then Vrishbhayan was an event. But if a spark awakened, Vrishbhayan has become your turning point. Thank you.
प्रणाम करो सभी को। प्रणाम। साहब जी को प्रणाम।
आई थिंक रक्षित के लिए बहुत कम तालियां हुई। जिसके नाम में रक्षित शब्द है और उसने जो प्रस्तुति की है, हम जिस शब्दों की बात करने के लिए 10-10 एक-एक घंटा लगाते थे, रक्षित ने उसको लगातार बहते झरनों की तरह जिस तरह से प्रस्तुत किया है यहाँ पर, मुझे लग रहा है उसने इतनी छोटी सी उम्र में अपने मन पर इतना काबू कर लिया है, अपनी याद शक्ति को इतना मजबूत कर लिया है, तो ये बालक आगे जाकर कितना कुछ कर सकता है। तो ये हमारी आने वाले प्रबुद्ध जो लोग हैं उसकी ये पीढ़ी को, आप लोग भी बोल पाएंगे कभी कि प्रबुद्ध रक्षित को बचपन में हमने देखा था। रक्षित वंडरफुल, वेरी गुड, बहुत ही अच्छा आपने प्रस्तुत किया और बहुत ही अच्छी आपकी बातें लगी। मुझे लग रहा है हर घर में हर माँ को ऐसा लगता होगा कि चलो हम भी रक्षित जैसे बच्चे को अपना बच्चे को रक्षित जैसा बनाए।